AdvertSuite is the first and largest software of its kind to ensure you run FB ads that make you money right out the gate. It's that simple. It's definitely both clever and extremely powerful. It allows you to instantly spy on all Facebook ads that are currently live and a lot of past campaigns too. Why is this a game changer? There are many ways to make money online with internet marketing, e-commerce, affiliate marketing, local marketing, etc. But these days all methods have one thing in common: almost all of them involve using paid Facebook ads to generate traffic and leads. You've probably purchased several different marketing products and software telling you to use Facebook ads. Nothing wrong with that. FB ads are great, and when you hit the winning formula they can be super profitable. But that's also the problem. You have to hit that winner first, and that means that you need to have money to test, and you risk losing a lot before seeing any results at all. This is exactly what keeps most people from trying out Facebook ads and from fulfilling their full online potential. It's also what Luke set out to change completely. With AdvertSuite you can put in any keyword, any product, any company, and any niche, and instantly see all the winning Facebook ads past and present. You'll get all the data, right down to what landing page they are sending traffic to. This way you can simply copy what works and completely skip the learning curve, eliminate any risk of loss, and bypass the expensive testing. In just 3 simple steps, AdvertSuite allows you to instantly spy on every single live Facebook ad out there, yes, all 40 million of them. All you need to do is follow these 3 simple steps. Step 1. Target audience. Enter your target audience filter. This can be either keywords, age, audience, competitors, and much more. Step 2. See results. View active and past ad campaigns. You can see results, landing pages, ad copy from any advertiser online. Step 3. Copy and profit. Pick the ads that already work and skip straight to the profit by copying what they are doing, so you don't have to waste any money on ads that don't. AdvertSuite features. Remove the guesswork of FB ads. AdvertSuite shows you exactly what ads are working now and what are not, so you don't waste money on ads that don't work. Search for keywords, niches, competitors, and even domains to see what ads are running and, more importantly, winning. Generate buyer traffic today with ads. Remove the need to test, change, edit ads by allowing AdvertSuite to show you the best performing ads in your niche. Competitor breakdown. AdvertSuite will show you any competitors running ads along with their landing page in one dashboard, so you can see what works and replicate. World's largest FB ads database. AdvertSuite gives you the world's largest FB ads library to search, with over 5 million ads from 15 different countries with thousands of new ads added daily. Demographic and engagement filters. These allow you to search ads based on gender, age, marital status, and location, along with searching most likes, comments, or shares to see what users are engaging with the most. Geolocation filters. Hate not knowing which countries to target? AdvertSuite breaks down where any ad is being shown to allow you to better identify the audience you are targeting. Video and image ad integration. With video ads being a leading ad strategy, AdvertSuite will show you what video ads are working the best for your niche in today's market. Call to action based sorting. AdvertSuite will allow you to filter ads according to their call to action to show you what is the right call to action for your campaign and niche. Ad position filtering. Ever wondered what ads perform better in the news feed versus sidebar? AdvertSuite solves this by showing you what currently is working best in both. Funnel breakdown module. AdvertSuite will not only show you the winning ads, but also allow you to see the landing page the traffic is being sent to in one dashboard, allowing you to replicate the winning funnels. Find winning ads by searching keywords, competitors, and even domains. Simply search, select the winners, and copy, removing the guessing game. Bank instantly with targeting module. AdvertSuite will show you where the ad is being shown to, the gender of the users, marital status, and even age groups, allowing you to remove the key things you need to enter when setting up an FB ad.